welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing one of my favorite Halara hauls ever. I have to say, I am so incredibly impressed with this one. These are some of my favorite pieces of all time from Halara, and I'm so excited to share them with you, so let's go ahead and dive right in. I do want to say a huge thank you to Halara for sending me these pieces and letting me pick them out and continuing to work with me. I love Halara. You guys have probably noticed, but I have them a lot on the channel, and it's because I wear them all the time. Every time I go to a workout class or even just to walk my dog, I am grabbing a pair of Halara leggings and a sports bra, and usually a jacket as well. If I'm going out with friends, I'm wearing my Halara jeans and one of the items that I am sharing today. If you see something that you like, everything will be linked down below, and my code is there to save yourself some money too. So let's dive in. I do want to start off with a pair of leggings, since that's what I'm wearing with pretty much everything in here. These have been some of my favorites. I'm usually not as drawn to the V front legging. I feel like they just kind of fall down a little bit more, and when I'm doing workout classes, especially crunches, I feel like it tends to bother me, but I feel like Halara has really nailed it to where that doesn't happen, and these are a true testament of that. I love how thick they are. They're not constricting, and they're also not too light. They definitely don't show through, which is awesome. In this video, I'm actually wearing black underwear just to show you that you cannot see anything, which we love. I also really appreciate the deep pockets on the side of these. I've noticed that I don't tend to use it for my phone, but you could totally fit your phone in there. I end up using it for like a mail key or sometimes dog treats when I'm taking my dog for a walk, and I just really love these. The length is great, the quality is great, the fabric is really nice, they're super breathable, and I just love them. They're just very flattering. So another great pair of leggings from Halara. Next up, let's talk about some sports bras. These are top tier. This has been one of my favorites. I absolutely love this one. I love this gray color, and I love how thick it is. I feel like it is thick enough to where I feel like everything is held in place, but it's not too thick to where it feels like it's constricting me. There are removable pads in here, and my favorite thing are these straps. I'm someone that gets headaches all the time, so having straps that put a lot of pressure on my shoulders makes it way worse, and these are super nice. I feel like because it's a nice thick material, it supports everything so that all of the weight isn't just relying on the straps, and the fact that there are two helps to kind of distribute the weight a little bit more evenly. It is a super flattering cut, and I just feel like this is such a nice sports bra. I feel like all the quality of Halara is amazing, but this one has been one of my favorites. I'm excited to get it in some more colors. I did decide to wear it with my new favorite jacket. I cannot tell you how many times I have been wearing this one. It's so soft and so flattering. I love this gray color, but I also want it in every color they ever come out with it in, because it is perfect. It is the perfect weight. I feel like it's really nice even in the summer or winter. No matter what the weather is outside, I want to be wearing this, even if it's just to run into the grocery store and brace the air conditioning. I love this. I feel like it is the perfect length to where it's not too cropped, but it's also not super long. It's not a very bulky jacket, but it does have a little bit more of a boxy fit, and I feel like it's just super flattering. I also love the stitching detail. I feel like it's a very nice touch that's very different from most of the things that I've seen, and I just really like it. So this has become my new favorite zip up from Halara, and I have been wearing it like crazy. Then we have this sports bra. This has become one of my favorites. First of all, this green color is gorgeous, almost like a sage army green kind of. I don't know, but I really like it. I feel like it's a very flattering color on everybody. The v-neck is the perfect v-neck where it's super flattering, but I don't feel like it's gonna fall down or it's not too revealing. I love this. It does have a built-in bra as well, so it has the removable pads, but it still has a band to kind of keep everything supported where the outside is loose. It is super comfortable. I feel like sometimes things like this are a little bit too constricting around the chest area or put too much pressure on my shoulders, and this really doesn't. This is just exactly what I want it to be. So I'm a big fan of this, and I want it in some more colors. That's going to be a common theme here of wanting it in more colors. I decided to pair that sports bra with my new favorite jacket. My only beef with this is that I ordered it one size higher than I should have. So I would say stick with a regular size. I believe I got this in an extra large, and I wish I had just gotten it in a large because it does have a natural oversized fit. It has some really nice kind of puffy princess balloon sleeves that make it just look super over the top flattering. I have been loving this so much. It's been perfect for California cold weather. Not too cold, not too hot. Right now it is crazy windy outside of my window, and I have been very happy to have something like this that's flattering, very nice for casual wear, or I can throw it on like how I have here with leggings and a sports bra. I love this color and I want it in some more, and I just really love it. The corduroy on here is super, super soft, and the inside is really soft too. It's very breathable, nice and lightweight, and I just really, really like it. Last item in this haul is one of my all-time favorite finds from Halara, and it is this bodysuit. It is so flattering. Every time I wear it, I get so many compliments on it. I think it is the perfect neckline, and it has a nice constricting kind of contouring shape to it. So it really brings in your waistline and flatters you in the perfect way. It's a nice thick material, but it's still very breathable, and I absolutely love this like ribbed texture on it. It is so nice. It's super, super stretchy, so it doesn't feel like it's constricting you, but because it has that kind of like contouring shape, it just makes my body look amazing. So I did decide to wear this without anything else so you can kind of see the fit. I typically am more drawn towards thong bodysuits, and I do wish that that were the case with this one, but I have noticed it doesn't really show a panty line or anything under jeans or even like shorts that I've worn with it. So it's very nice. I feel like it's very flattering and very comfortable, which are two of my favorite things to have in an item of clothing. It does have a button bottom so you can unbutton it to go to the bathroom or, you know, whatever you're doing. And I just really like it. I'm gonna get it in another color. I think it comes in a white maybe, and I'm definitely going to be picking that up. Like I said, I get tons of compliments on it, and I just feel really good in it. So this is definitely gonna become a staple in my wardrobe, and I just can't recommend it enough. So that is everything in my haul. A little bit on the small side, but I feel like it really packs a punch since it's been just such a good set of finds. I have to say everything in this haul has been such a success for me. The things that I've been wearing the most are definitely the black bodysuit, the kind of corduroy shacket, and then the gray zip up. I seriously have to wear that zip up. Like, I think I'm wearing it like 3 to 4 times a week. It's become my absolute favorite. So if you're interested in getting any of these pieces or anything else from Halara, check out the links below and definitely use my code to save yourself some money. Thank you so much again to Halara for letting me pick out these pieces and sending them my way. I always appreciate working with you, and I always appreciate you for coming and hanging out with me. I love having you here, and I hope that you choose to stick around so that I can see you in the next one. And in the meantime, I hope you have a killer day. Bye!